Would you believe it's possible to earn $300 again and again and again in complete autopilot? Well, if you doubt this is normal, today I'm going to show you that this is very possible. Yes, correct, you can make money hands-free with today's strategy, but you must watch every second of this video or otherwise you won't be able to set it up properly. And if you stay tuned until the end, I will show you where you can go to maximize your results and start earning money today. In addition, I have a free bonus training prepared for you at the end of the video that will help you get started earning high ticket product commissions daily. The reality is that the world has been shifted totally in a different direction since the internet was created, and the pandemic situation drastically accelerated the consolidation of the internet as a form of survival and thriving economically. It has never been easier to make money online, so if you follow all the steps, you will be able to do that too. So without any further ado, let's switch to the computer and start with all the steps in today's strategy. So the first website which I would like to show you today where you're gonna be able to make money online is called redbubble.com. So this website, it gives you the opportunity to be able to sell your own art and add it into different products so you can sell it online. And you might be wondering, okay, this sounds okay, but I'm not a graphic designer, so don't worry, because I'm gonna let you know and show you how you can actually get your designs for free and add it into different products. So as you can see here, if you come to redbubble.com, you can come to the website, to the bottom of the website, and then you're gonna click in sell your art, and over here you can find more information of the type of art that you can sell. It says creativity, community, and sweet cash. Sell your art printed on high quality products to a global audience. It's fun, easy, and quick to get started. So it will be as simple as signing up. The Redbubble gives you the option to create your own store, but then you will just be using this if you have many products. If you just go a single product, is not needed. So it'll be as simple for you to just come into Redbubble and sign up. Once that you click on the button of start selling, it will ask you to sign up. I've already signed up, so when you click in sign up, you just need to follow the steps. It will ask you for your email address, password, and so on, and then you will land into this website once that you have registered. Here you will be able to create your products, add your designs, or set up your shop. You will set up your shop if you have more than one product, but to get started, the only thing you need to do is just add the designs, and then you will be uploading your work over here or copying an existing work. In this case, we're gonna be adding our own designs. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to Google, and then you're gonna click on freedesignresources.net. And the good thing about this website is like you have daily freebies for creatives, which means that you can get access to a limited amount of graphics that you could actually use in your own store or in your own products. So once that you have signed up, you come to this website, you see all the different categories, mockups, templates, and then you can see all the different graphics that you might want to create. So for example, if you click on graphics, then it will load up, and then it gives you all the different samples over here that you could actually download. You could see here you could get 500 free iOS tab bar icons. You could get all different icons and all different graphics over here, and as well you can search by different categories to make sure that they are compatible with different softwares as well. So what I advise you to do is just come to this website, and as you can see, there are so many different pages that you can go to, and then once that you get if you're searching for a specific niche, you could say, for example, pets, and let's see what comes over here. see. Okay, so you found 26 pet freebies. So then you can have a look and you can go through all the different graphics. You can put down your what you're actually looking for, whether if you're looking for icons or you're looking for a specific graphics. And then this is something that you could actually add into your account. So once that you have added your design to your account, it will be as simple of uploading the work. So for example, let's download one so you can see how it works in action. Let's see. So for example, whenever you add whichever design you add, it will actually show on different products, as you can see, on printing, clothing, on your phone, on the tablet, on your pillow, so on the shower curtains, so you can see that actually it looks good. This is not the design that you have to actually go for. You can choose any other design from this website, but the good thing is once that you have uploaded your design, you're gonna actually get paid when someone buys from Redbubble. So Redbubble will do all the marketing for you, and you don't have to worry about anything else. You have to worry about creating the designs and uploading into Redbubble and then get traffic out of it. Okay, so as I say, you will come to this website, to freedesignresources.net, get your graphics, and then you will upload your graphics, make sure that it looks good on your t-shirt or whichever product you do, and then it will be as simple as once that you've done so, you just click on save your work, and then that's it. You will be able to, you click here, right, to sell the products, and then you will just go into the next step. Okay, so you will need to actually as well add the title, add the tags, and add the description, and then you will put logo design, for example, and then you can add any tags or any description you want, and then you just click on save your work, and then it'll be processed, and then you will be able to monetize this. So when someone buys from Redbubble, you will get paid as well. So this is actually really good, guys. The best thing you could do is you could actually get your designs for free, or you could create your own graphics. Okay, so then once that you've done it, you'll see how it will appear in all the t-shirts and so on, business cards or whatever you need it, and then Redbubble will do all the marketing for you. So once that you have your designs, once that you have your products running on the store, the next thing that you will need is traffic. So we're gonna get traffic from this website, which we'll call southcar.com. So on this website is like it's a neat website that you could actually use to use influencers and do shoutouts, and then these influencers they have got thousands of followers. So you can do a shoutout which is not really expensive, maybe from $20 to anywhere from $20 to $60, and then you can be exposed to thousands and thousands of visitors, to your store. So this will be a good way so you can get traffic and get started to make sales. Okay, so you will just need to come to the website sharka.com, and then you will click on register for free, and then you will just need to follow the steps. You can say I'm a buyer, I'm a seller. In this case you're a buyer, so you press on continue, and then you will fill up all the information. So how it works, you will be able to connect with other social media influencers. You can find influencers, then you will add to the cart after you have picked up the best influencers for your niche, and then you can create the order, then schedule and pay, and then you will receive the exposure. After your shoutout is paid and scheduled, you'll receive the post from the influencer you pick. It's that easy. So as you can see, it's very easy for you to start getting traffic right away and start selling your products with Redbubble and Shoutcard. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. As I say, it's an alternative way for you to make money online, so you can create your own designs. The best way to do it will be if you create your own designs. So if you learn designing software like Photoshop or Illustrator, that will be great, because then you'll be able to make very costume designs and then add it directly into Redbubble. Otherwise, I've given you another website which is called freedesignresources.net, where you could actually do this. Okay guys, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoy it. I will advise you to take action straight away, and then if you want to find an alternative way to make thousands and thousands of dollars per day, I have left a link into the description, which is actually the first link to the description. Click on the link and then follow all the steps, because you will be provided with a free training so you can get started to make high ticket product commissions from today, starting your own business today at no cost. So it's a great opportunity. I highly advise you to take action and implement today's strategy, and as well go to the first link into the description, follow the training, get your free training, and get started making high ticket affiliate commissions. So if you like this content, I would really appreciate that you give a massive thumbs up, because this will really help for the channel to keep growing and be able to provide you content and create content that actually helps you, to make money online. So this is all for today's strategy. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week ahead, and be successful. Take care for now, guys.